Your audience cares about security and privacy, but here's the thing about VPNs. They don't actually make you fully anonymous. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you Bright Data, and this is how you can upgrade your VPNs and internet service provider proxies so you can actually be fully anonymous and safe on the internet. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Okay guys, as you can see, if I go here to products, you can see that they have 4 different proxy services available. So they have residential proxies, which are 50% off, by the way, at the moment. You also get the internet service provider proxies, data center proxies, and mobile proxies. Okay guys, and as I mentioned before, you will get access to over 150 million different IP addresses in all of these different countries. So you can view all of the proxy locations and you'll get access to over 150 million different IP addresses. So what makes Bright Data different to normal VPNs, you might ask? So here it is. So what normal VPNs do is they protect the users by masking their IP addresses, but Bright Data will actually go and give you an anonymous rotating proxy, whether it's residential, ISP, data center, or mobile proxy, and it will make sure that you are anonymous, and it will keep on giving you a new IP address from a real user that will make sure you stay anonymous and safe. So VPNs are great for casual safety, but if you're really serious and scared of your safety and privacy online, I would highly recommend that you go with Bright Data just to upgrade that step further and make sure that you are safe from all of the hackers and the scammers online. Okay guys, so you might be asking why they are different, and if I go here to the residential proxies, they actually have a large network of IP addresses in the residential proxy space. Okay guys, so they have automatic rotating IP addresses to make sure that you get a new IP address every few seconds, and that will keep you very, very safe online compared to what VPNs actually do. They will also do this to avoid bans and actually avoid captchas, because captchas are really annoying, and this will actually help and save you a bit of time as well. So as you can see, they have the sticky and rotating sessions. They have a really quick response time, a very, very high success rate, and geolocation targeting free, which makes them great because you can use them multiple different locations. As mentioned previously in this video, you will get access to over 150 million real IP addresses situated in countries across the world. Okay guys, so you might be asking who Bright Data is actually for. So if I go here and you can see the data center proxies, I can go there. So it is actually for data analysis, developers, e-commerce, business owners, and much more, like crypto researchers and people that just own companies and want to make sure that everything they do online is safe and secured. Like I mentioned in the intro of today's video, your audience actually cares about privacy and security, and that is what Bright Data will offer you. So it's literally there for anyone to use, whether you're a content creator, a researcher, a data analyst, or a serious business owner. This is definitely out there to help you and make your life a lot easier. Okay guys, so real world cases it's actually perfect for market research, unlimited accounts, so you can manage multiple accounts, and then also perfect for web scraping, market research, and even SEO tracking. So this is great for a lot of different people, and there are a lot of different real world use cases. Okay guys, that will be a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.